This is my red chimichurri sauce. It has all the freshness of classic chimichurri, but a deeper flavor from roasted red peppers and a subtle smokiness. Start with roasted red peppers, fresh parsley, a shallot, and a bit of chipotle pepper if you like heat. Chop everything by hand so you get small, even pieces. You want even texture here, not a fine paste. Now, if you're short on time, you can also add everything to a food processor and use quick pulses. Just make sure you don't make it too smooth. Transfer everything to a bowl, then stir in minced garlic, smoked paprika, black pepper, salt, and crushed red pepper flakes. Add the lemon juice, then slowly drizzle in the olive oil while stirring. You want a spoonable, chunky texture. Taste everything and adjust the seasoning as needed. This sauce is great on steak, chicken, pork, or roasted vegetables. Get the full recipe on savorthebest.com.